I'm actually a student, and as part of my course, I need to learn how to make an app in Flutter. So I need to learn Flutter. But I'm one of those people where it's like it's very difficult for me to learn a framework, or actually, I don't like learning a framework before I know the language behind that framework. So, over the course of the next week, I'm gonna have to learn a completely different language, and I'm gonna need to build a project. So, how about a database literally from scratch? You use all these databases every day, MySQL and Postgres and Mongo and whatnot, but like we don't know how it works. Like, how does it get it data? It's very difficult, but like you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna do a database here, like a document database, like MongoDB. I feel like that's gonna be easier to implement than trying to build the MySQL. Yeah, maybe use the JSON and try to read the JSON with Dart. I think I'm gonna need luck with it too. So it's Friday now, and yes, I did try to build a database, but I think trying to do that in a week, even though I picked a document database, was a bit more difficult than I anticipated. I think I bit off more than I could chew. And actually, I think I ran into the same kind of issue I was trying to avoid by learning Dart using this project. I think what I should have done, or what I should do, is to build a project with this database. That way I can develop the database. That way I can develop the database. That way I can develop the database in parallel. Because right now I'm struggling to think of the specific features which I need to implement. So I don't know how to continue on with the project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a project. Maybe like, you know what I'm thinking? Mhlambe, if we create a social, like a website type of situation, a CRUD that requires like a CRUD functionality. So something like a Facebook or an Instagram, which requires you to post to the database and retrieve information, update information, and then delete that information. So hopefully using this approach, I will be able to complete the database. But yeah, for now, I guess the only thing to do is to just post this video, because I was supposed to have done this by Sunday, I think, because I initially made the promise to myself that I'm gonna do this every Sunday. But you know what, whatever, I learned so much in this iteration or in this sprint. I think what I have right now is enough that I can potentially start working on a real project using this database. So this is what I'm gonna do.